Hey guys, I wanted to show today kind of what the expectations for your upcoming project are. So instead of recording class where we had lots of random questions, I wanted to combine them all and create this video for you guys. So no matter what class you're in, you're going to go to your Wednesday folder for today. Make sure to do your vocab, try that out. That way you're getting some extra practice with those words. But our instructions show to use that link to kind of edit and modify our PowerPoint. Your PowerPoint is going to be due on Monday, which is actually February 1st. So it'll be due on Monday. And this is part 1 for your upcoming project. So this is the research portion. So we're going to open 2 different things. So you're going to right click on this link and you're going to open it. And then you're also going to open your PowerPoint. So we've got our website here. I'm going to go ahead and start that one. So that'll load. And then make sure that you go ahead and click here and download your PowerPoint. So we're going to do 2 things at once. So I'm going to go ahead and download that one. And make sure my website is still loading. Yep, it's doing okay. All right, so now I can open my PowerPoint. Just a second, we'll get this one open. And perfect. So we have our PowerPoint, and then we go right back and we have our web page. Okay. So on that PowerPoint, you are going to modify and edit this PowerPoint. I want you to make it as creative as possible. This is the most basic version. If you leave it in black and white and simply answer the questions, you're going to only score a 50. That's only half of the work. Okay. So I'm hoping that you guys get a little creative with this and show how you can do some cool things. But you do have to answer each portion of the question and make sure that you have the correct images and titles and all those things on your slides. I did have a couple of friends ask if they could switch and do a prezi or a sway. Yes, 100%. You have my permission to be as extra creative as you want to be. Just make sure you shoot me a message so I know kind of what to look for. So I'm going to switch back over to our web page. So when you're working on this web page, this is a virtual tour. So we're going to start out with the sun because that is the first thing on our PowerPoint. So when I'm looking at our PowerPoint, our first questions is to insert an image. So you're going to click Insert an online photo. And I'm simply just going to type in the sun. So I'm going to add, we don't want these silly clip art pictures. We want actual images. So this is an actual image, actual images. So not silly pictures, not clip arts. Actual images of the sun, because we're really truly trying to learn about that planet. And realize you can also choose more than one photo if you want to include more than one. So if you don't like where that's shown up or whatever, you know, you can move them around, be as creative as you possibly can, but that's how you insert an image. You can also do some cool things here. You can create designs and turn your PowerPoint into different designs. So like this one over here on the right side, it'll give you some design ideas. Where you can make those pictures really look professional. This is the quickest and easiest way to not spend hours making it a little more creative. So then we're going to start editing so I've already done that one, so I can get rid of that. And then this first one says, the sun's mass accounts for blank percentage of the mass of our solar system. So I obviously need to fill in that blank. So we'll work through that on our webpage. So back over to our internet, I'm going to click on the sun and I want to explore it. As I'm exploring, you have some options here. You can visit it, which is going to take you real up close and personal so you can see truly what it looks like. It also shows you that our sun is a yellow dwarf, so that could be one of your interesting facts. And then you can click on the encyclopedia, and this is where you're going to see all the information that it provides on the site. So that's an easy way to get your information there. You can also, if you're more of a reader, you can scroll up to the top. And you can click on the sun and you can read through all of the information provided on the sun, and it is pages and pages and pages and pages and pages long. So it's going to be difficult for you to not find some sort of interesting facts about the sun. So make sure you check out both locations and kind of play around with this site as much as you can. That way you can get as much information in your PowerPoint as possible. It is not due until Monday, so you have plenty of time. Please be creative. Don't just simply answer the questions. I also wanted to show you guys on our PowerPoint. Some people are like, I don't really love to type. Can I do my voice instead? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you're going to insert an audio, and then you're going to record the audio. So I will hit record. The sun's mass takes up 99.8% of the mass of our solar system. Most of our sun is made out of about 75% hydrogen and about 20 or so percent of helium and a few other little things. It's about 149 million kilometers from our planet. It is one of the brightest things in our sky, of course, and our sun is known as a yellow dwarf star. So I've recorded that. I'll hit OK. It brings my sound, and you guys can hear me talk.
The sun mass takes up.
So if you're not much of a typer, you totally have the option to voice over your slides. 100% an option as well. I also wanted to show you guys that you can also include videos. So if we go over here to insert, right here at the top, and you want to insert an online video, you can paste a URL there from YouTube or from Google, anything you want there as well. So hope that helps. This is not due until Monday, so you have all day tomorrow to work on that for Thursday for your asynchronous day. And then I'll also give you some class time on Friday as well. And then again on Monday, we'll do some quick review and make sure we get any last minute things tied up before you guys turn these in on Monday. Good luck, guys. Hope that helps.